In this video, you will learn how to import and export classic templates in Nintex AssureSign. Importing and exporting classic templates will be used in scenarios where you wish to create an offline backup of an existing classic template, or if you need to import and utilize a previously exported classic template. Exporting a template is also a first step in preparing to migrate a classic template into simple setup template form. Let's begin by learning how to export a classic template. From the Nintex AssureSign account home screen, click the main menu in the top right corner of the page and click Classic Templates. You are brought to the Classic Document Templates page. Here, you can access new classic template and existing classic template offerings. To proceed with exporting a classic template, click Existing, located on the left side of the screen. The existing classic templates screen displays your template names, date created, language, the assigned email design, set, and accessibility visibility. You can also view the classic templates locked, archived, workflow only permission, and template converted status. Locate the desired classic template that you would like to export and click the corresponding export link. AssureSign will automatically begin downloading a .document template file type to your local hard drive. This exported file contains all the data of the exported classic template and can only be imported and read by Nintex AssureSign Classic Templates or with the Simple Setup Templates Classic Template Converter function. This is the file that you should store in a safe and accessible location for backup. Now, to import a classic template into your Nintex AssureSign Classic Template environment, we will start from the Document Templates, New page. Navigate to and select Import Template from a template export file and click Next to continue. Click Choose File to locate and open the desired .document template classic template file. With the correct file chosen, click the Next button to continue. You can then modify the template name, description, accessibility, language, email design set, whether to modify the workflow template or lock the template, if needed. Advanced options can be accessed by clicking here, where you can choose to allow immediate presentment, which specifies whether or not you would like to allow document signers to be redirected from an external application for a signing session. You may also set and assign optional template tags for the imported template, if needed. Once the information on this page is complete and ready, click Next to continue. You are now brought to the Document Setup page, where you can modify the jot blocks within this document. To modify an individual jot block settings, click to select the desired jot block from within the document view. On the right side panel of the screen, you will see the selected jot block has been highlighted. From here, you can perform two actions for this jot block: Edit and Delete. Clicking Delete will remove the jot block from the document. Clicking Edit will bring up an Edit Jot Block configuration window. From this window, you can modify basic settings such as name, type, input, source group, required and written instructions. You can also change visual settings, which are the visual placement and format settings. There is also an area to distinguish which color of ink is to be shown for the signature, as well as determining the signature font size. When you are finished with the Edit window, click OK. Once you are to the point where you are finished editing your jot blocks, click the Continue to Workflow button found in the top right corner of the screen. If the template has a workflow associated with it that could be affected by jot block changes that were made, this may impact workflow. This includes, but are not limited to, adding a new signatory jot block, deleting an existing signatory jot block, or changing the input type for an existing jot block. It is a good idea to keep your classic template file in a safe and accessible storage location should you need to revert back to the original state. Click Continue to move forward. This brings you to the Workflow Template page, where you will finish determining the classic template signatories, jot blocks, signing process, emails, SMS, web notifications, and document transmission settings necessary to finish the classic template import process. You may also reset the entire template by clicking Reset Form. Once all sections are updated to your needs, you can now click the Review link. From the Review page, you are provided a summary of your imported template details, the Step 1 notifications, the document signatories, and the After the document is completed notifications. If everything looks to be set correctly, click the Finish button at the bottom of the page. The newly imported and configured classic template is now shown in your Document Templates, Existing Templates page. The classic template is now available to use. In this video, we learned how to import and export classic templates in Nintex AssureSign, which will be used in scenarios where you wish to create an offline backup of an existing classic template, or if you need to import and utilize a previously exported classic template.